Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. You know it is JJ. Today we're going to be doing graphics card nightmares right here on JJ's PC Builds. So we're going to jump right into it. We're going to be doing it differently this time, so that way it's not going to take too long for you guys to go through and see what's going on for this week. We're just going to dive right into a PC part picker, and we're going to go from there. So we're going to go ahead and set ourselves up and get ready for the action screen. That way y'all are going to jump along with me. And it gives you a wide variety of graphic cards. So you go over here, you hit the price and turn the arrow upwards, and it goes from the lowest to the highest. Then we're going to filter on the price. Usually the going price is about maybe $200 on the minimal, and we're going to set our price at $600. All right, let's go ahead and look through today and see what we get. Let's see, lowest card at $200 is going to be your, looks like a Gigabyte D6 1650. I don't think you're going to pay $200 for a 1650. They got the A750 right here, the Acer Predator Bifrost OC. It's an 8 gigabyte card, and it's for $204. Ooh, that's kind of high, don't I think? Yeah, it is kind of high, because they got a 6600, for $209. It's probably be better to go instead of, well, I don't know. I mean, you could go the A750 if you're willing to wait for them to fix all the software, but, some people are not willing to wait for that software fix. So let's see. We're going to stroll down the cards a little bit and see what we can come up with that's going to be viable to you. Let's see, 16, got a lot of 1650s, 1660s. Got a limited edition A750. It looks like they got it in stock for $239, $240. If you're looking for that. Let's see. We're just doing all the cards. We're doing AMD, we're doing NVIDIA, and Intel all in one shot. So this way you guys can get a good idea of what to go on. So you see the price line that I set everything to. This way it's more or less like you got your budget graphics cards and you got your intermediate graphics cards all in one bunch. So if you're really looking for a graphics card, that's the best way to go. Not unless you're looking for a lower price than $200, then that'll be up to you. But I go $200 because that's always been the minimal, when it comes to a graphics card. So, you got the A770 right here for $285, 16 gigabytes. All right, well, they got an RTX 3060 12 gigabyte, for $280, about $290. So we're going up in price. So we're almost to the $300 mark. Let's see. No, I don't think you guys want that. This WX 7100. That's basically like your workstation graphics card. I don't think you really want to get into that. They got a 4060 for $290. The 770 for $290. Kind of look at it a little bit more carefully, because you got one that's got 8 gigabytes and the other one that's got 16. 7600 if you're looking for it. Let's see. They got 3060s. Now we're up into the $300 range. And I'll tell y'all at the end what I think. So they got a 6700 for 329, 7600 XT for 329. So right in that range. They got a 4060 for 329. But it looks like they're sold out on the 7600s right there. 4060 looks like 7600s are sold out. Looks like some of the 3060s and 4060s are sold out. Let's see. They got a 2060 for that price. I don't think you want to buy a 2060 for that price. I'm going to keep looking to see if they got anything really special that's worth talking about. I don't think you're going to pay for a Radeon RX 570 $380. I doubt y'all are going to pay that much. So, moving on down the road, we go to 3 and see what we get. We're at number 3. Let's see, we got 6600 at 385. See, they got so many screwed up prices on this. I just wanted to get all the graphics cards in one shot doing this. So that's the reason why I'm doing this right now with you all through PC Part Picker, because I want to see what's going to be happening. They got a 7700 XT for 409. Seems they got it in stock, and it's only 4 out of 5 stars. Only 2 were sold from what I'm seeing. Got a 6750 XT. That's way too high. That's just ridiculous prices. For $428, they got a 4060 Ti 8 gigabyte. They're crazy. 4060, 1660 at the same price. 6700, 7700. Looks like 3058 gigabyte for 433. Now, these are all the prices of the major sellers like Amazon, BH Photo, and stuff like that. Newegg, all them. It's like all wrapped up into one. So basically, when you click on it, let's say if you wanted to go for the 1660 Ti, you click on it, and then it'll tell you if it's Amazon, or it'll tell you if it's Newegg, or, it'll give you a variety of lists. So you basically just want to look through. And the ones with the stars are usually the ones that are still on the books for when you visit these stores. The ones that have no stars are usually your sold out right there. 5600 XT, that is way too high. 37 LHR. I mean, let's just keep going down the road. Yeah, let's go to number 4. Let's see, 7700 XT. I'm going to tell you something. I'm looking through all this. They got 7800 XT for 489. They got 3 different sellers for 489 or 490. So that doesn't look too bad. If you're looking for a 7800 XT, that'd be perfect. Yeah, I mean, they're just ridiculous prices here. You just got to keep looking to see if you can find it, find the deals and everything else. And so far, the only deal that I really seen that was worth anything was the 7800 XT. Because if you go back up to the fours, let's see, yep, right here, you got a 70 Sapphire right here. And Amazon's selling it, or Newegg selling it for $4.89. Plus, it's got a $10 promo on it. Just to let you know that. It's got a $10 promo on it, so it's $4.89. Amazon's selling it for $528. So if you're looking for a 7800 XT, that seems like you got a $10 promo on Newegg. So if you're looking, that's where to be. So far, I've only seen one good deal, and that was that. You know, I mean, I didn't, oh, 49, the 4070s at 529, but still, I would like to have seen the 4070 and you know, like at the 499 mark. That would have been a lot better deal, but I didn't see anything like that. See, because if you go back here to where we were at before, you know, with the 7800 XT, it would have been nice to see if you had like the 4070 somewhere below 7800 XT, but you don't see that price. You know, yeah, we're jumping right into the prices. So this way we can see everything. So, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Let's see. Let's go over here to the last page. Oh, I forgot. I got to click this allow button over here. Let's see if there's anything good. For lower price, it's what we're looking for. We got 4070 Super for $589, $590. Okay, so it's a Zotac Twin Edge. And it looks like Amazon and Newegg have it. And you got Prime on the Amazon and you got free shipping on Newegg. So this was updated 11 minutes ago from Amazon. So they got 9 new for $589 on Amazon. So if that's what you're looking for. Okay, let's go back. Since we've seen that, they got the Asus Dual. If you're looking for a 2-fan, they got that for $600. They got the Gigabyte WindForce OC for $600. Asus Dual is not an OC, and it's for $600. I wouldn't touch that. Now, Asus Dual OC, they got on hand. That's a 2-fan, but that's 12 gigabytes for $600. And coming down to the last bit, they got the 6700 XT for $600. That's ridiculous. They got a Gigabyte Gaming OC for the 4070 for $600. I got these prices all screwed up. But that's just my opinion. All right, back to the main screen for my final thoughts. Okay, so my final thought is this. They had a 7800 XT with a $10 off for Newegg. That was pretty good. They had they had the NVIDIA 4070 Super for $10 cheaper. So that's like $590. But all in all, between the $200 range and the $600 range, between the low end, semi low end, and your mid level GPUs, I've only seen two out of the whole thing. So I don't know. This is the end of the video anyway. Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do help support the channel. But until the next time and the next video, and don't forget, tomorrow is the live stream. It will be on at 11 a.m. So until the next time in the next video, this is JJ and JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.